Bless the Lord, O my soul, and all that is within me. Bless his holy name. Bless the Lord, O my soul, and forget not all his benefits, who forgives all thy iniquities, and who healeth all thy diseases, who redeemeth your soul from destruction, who crowneth thee with loving kindness and tender mercies, who satisfies thy mouth with good things, and thy youth is renewed like the eagles. The Lord will execute righteousness and judgment upon those who oppress the poor. He made known his ways to Moses, and his acts to the children of Israel. The Lord is merciful and gracious, slow to anger, and plenteous in mercy. He will not chide, neither will he keep his anger forever. The Lord has not dealt with us after our sins, neither has he rewarded us after our unrighteousness. For as the heavens are high above the earth, even so are his mercies towards his people. For as the east is far away from the west, even so has he removed our transgressions from us. As a father pitied his children, so the Lord pitied those who fear him. He knows our frame. He remembers that we are dust. But as for man, his days are as grass. As the flower of the field, so he flourisheth. The winds blow over it, and it is gone. The ground will not even remember it. But the mercies of the Lord are from generation to generation for those who love him, and his righteousness unto children's children, and to those that remember his covenant to do them. The Lord has established his throne upon the heavens, and his kingdom ruleth upon the earth. Bless the Lord, ye his angels, that excel in strength, that doeth his commandments. Bless the Lord, ye his hosts, ye ministers of his, that doeth his pleasure. Bless the Lord, all his work, in all places of his dominion. Bless the Lord, O my soul.
Amaka.
Don't. I still insist we have to talk.
Talk about what?
The children's future existence for one.
What about their existence?
They cannot continue to stay here with you.
And why not?
Sumbo, Chinwe was the stabilizing factor in this house. With Chinwe gone, this house will collapse in 2 days.
Look, I don't want to have this conversation.
Oh, okay. Run away like you usually do. Run away. Hey, Chineken. Hey, nekwe no manya obiko. Okay.
Are you okay?
What's gonna happen to us?
How do you mean?
Auntie Emeka says I'll have to stay with her. And you and Tayo might have to stay with Grandma and Uncle Chidi.
I just hate the way Auntie Emeka reasons. I wish we could just stay here.
I told her that too. But she said Daddy can't take care of us.
Hey. Remember the day Daddy was hurrying off for a meeting and drove off in just his vest?
What about when he helped Mom to make lunch? And he blended the shrimps and veggies Mom had laid out for stir fry?
Oh my God. That was so hilarious.
Mom almost died of shock.
Fine, okay. It's okay.
Sumbo, I have been looking for you all over the place.
Looks like you found me.
Mommy and Daddy just left. They were looking for you.
Sorry about that.
Sumbo. You have been drinking. In fact, you are drunk.
Come off it, Amaka. Yes, I've had a little bit of alcohol, but that doesn't make me drunk.
Well, you will know, won't you?
Look, when are you going to your house?
Sumbo, believe me, I will not spend 1 minute longer than necessary in this place.
Good to know.
It is the guest I wanted to see you about. I am taking Amara, and the older wants to go and live with Mommy and Daddy Obuchi.
What are you talking about?
They cannot continue to live here. You have already started drinking. Not to talk about looking after 3 young ladies.
children belong with their parents.
Yes, Chinwe is gone. And we are in a better position to look after them. Meaning what? Eh?
Amaka, why are you doing this to me?
Sumbo, I am not doing anything to you. You know these children need proper care and attention, and you cannot give it to them.
So that's the reason you want to take them away from me?
Sumbo, stop being melodramatic, Kwan. Eh? What will you say to Amara when she starts seeing her period? Who will teach Amaka about sex and contraceptives? Will they come to you? Mban. Eh? Sumbo, do what is right, Bikon.
But they are all I have left.
Sumbo, then do what is right for them.
Girls, I want you all to know that I love you very much. But your aunt and I have been talking. And we'll have to break up. Bumi will have to go and live with Aunt Amaka. Tayo, you'll have to go and stay with your grandparents, while Shade goes to live with Buchi.
I know you all are disorganized by this piece of news, but I can assure you that it is in your own best interest.
How? How can it be in our best interest to be apart? How?
You know your father is a very busy man who works all the time. Eh? And with your mother gone, it means you all will be by yourself all the time. And that's not good for you ladies.
But...
Ladies, you'll have to go and get your things. And I hope you're happy now.
My mommy.
hope you packed everything.
No, Auntie. I only packed the things I need. The rest is in order.
Where is Adamma? Adamma! Where are your things?
Not going anywhere.
Sumbo! Sumbo!
Shade.
Please, Dad. I need to say something.
Yeah.
Auntie, I know you want what's best for us. And I appreciate it. But as I was packing my things, I sat back and looked at myself. And what I saw was a 23-year-old architect working with one of the most prestigious construction companies in the country. A young woman who can take care of herself both financially and morally. And not some young girl who needs to be moved between relatives.
Sumbo! Sumbo!
I know my father may not be the most coordinated person in the world, but he's still my father. A wonderful man. One that I love immensely. I can't leave him, Auntie. He'll need looking after, and I intend to do it.
Finally, somebody finally speaks up. I'm not going anywhere either. I'm staying here. He's my father too.
And mine too.
Sumbo! Sumbo!
Girls, in as much as I hate to agree with that, your aunt's proposal is a sensible one.
God will bless you. God will bless you.
I might not be the best father in the world, but God knows where I would have been today without your mother. So the logical thing to do is to tell you guys to go with your aunt. But I've not been known for logic, have I? I might not be the perfect father, but if they promise me that they are going to be perfect daughters, like they've always been, I think it's worth it.
Sumbo, what are you saying?
Leave my house.
Shut up!
Shut up, get out!
I should leave your house.
Shut up, get out! And that's twice.
Adamma. Nwamaka. Amara. Oh, okay. I am going. I am leaving. Yeah. Okay.